All right, this tutorial is going to be about doing keyword research. Keyword research is a critical part of having your site, your pages, your content, your products found on a Google search. And what I mean by this is we're going to take my favorite red fluffy slippers. When I've typed in red fluffy slippers into the search bar, what Google is trying to do for me is bring me up as close to my search as possible, red fluffy slippers. So as you can see, Google automatically will bold for me, the user, things that say red fluffy slippers in the page title. And this is, the first line here is page title. The second line here will be your URLs. Now this one does not have red fluffy slipper in the URL, but it's ShoeBuy and it's a highly rated site. But if you'll see here, then in meta descriptions, red fluffy slippers show up twice. So Google is attempting to give me back exactly what I asked for. If you'll go where nobody wants to go, which is, let's go to page 4, then Google is giving me, again, as many more things. Red fluffy, slippers, they understand shoes or slippers. So the further back you get is things that say fuzzy slippers, red knitted fuzzy slippers. So to get to the front page of Google, you really want to be as close to this keyword that users typing in as possible. But how do you know what they're typing in? Well, that's when we go to keyword research. So currently, keyword research used to have its own location, and several months back, Google has discontinued that and put it all in Google AdWords. So to get proper keyword research done, unless you want to pay for one of the services that offer keyword research at several $100s a month, you need to create a Google AdWords account. Doesn't mean you have to campaign, doesn't mean you have to have ads, but you do have to have a Google AdWords account. Once you get into your account and you've logged in, you go to this Tools and Analysis, and within that is the Keyword Planner. Once you click on Keyword Planner, it's going to bring up, come on Google, it's going to bring up this page for you. Go ahead and search for new keywords. Now you can put your landing page, you can put your product. I don't typically do that, but let's type in red fluffy slippers and get ideas. Now it's going to pull you as a default to ad group ideas. I'm not really looking for ad groups, I'm looking for keyword ideas, so I'm going to click over to the keyword ideas. For the word red fluffy slippers, they're saying that only 10 people monthly are searching for it, but there's a lot of competition. Well, what else are they searching for? And this is where your research comes in. Ideally, you want something that has a high search term or high amount of people searching for it per month and a low amount of other competitors trying to get that same keyword. But okay, happy feet slippers, medium competition. And most of these look like they're high competition. You can extend how many keywords you want to see and scroll down the page. You can export all these into an Excel sheet. Shoes for women, great keyword. 49,000 people search for that a month, but many of your competition, a lot of them are trying to rank for that. So here's where you have to step into the mind of your consumer. What are they looking for? So this is where this comes in. So maybe they're looking for warm slippers for winter. Let's see if anyone's looking for that. They're not. But Google's going to give you an idea at this point what they are typing in. The key to this is to find a good, unique long tail. And long tail means, as opposed to one word men's, it's men's bedroom slippers. Again, this is easier memory foam slippers. These are easier for you to write content on and then be found. So it looks like they're all high competition, but at least it gives you an idea. Why are these so important? Because when you're writing your content, when you're creating product pages, you're going to want to use that in the title because that's what Google's looking for. They're looking red fluffy slippers. They want to match that up. So here's where you're doing your research. It's really important that you understand and pretend that you are someone looking for this. What different types of phrases would I type in as a user to find what I'm looking for? The more you know who you're trying to target, the better it is that you'll have an idea of what they're going to be typing in. I hope this helps. Thanks so much.